Okay, so today we are looking at volume screens and which will help you identify trending stocks. Now the markets are down and we are obviously looking for stocks that will buzz because the amount of buzz is can be 50%, 100%. You've seen how stocks react when they start going up. Okay, so I made volume screeners with some other conditions and I'll explain everything to you what you should do after screening too as well. So I would go with the current weekly volume is greater than 1 month ago volume. That would be a good indication that something is up in the stock. Let's scan it. Okay, and uh, I've sorted this out on the basis of percentage change. Right. The number one is I will look at the volumes. If the volumes are decent, I'll consider the stock. I'll take the stock to the next level. And secondly, I will look at the price. If it's a penny stock like your sub events or PSL Limited, I would ignore it completely. I would only look at good volumes, stocks that have some quality for further study. For further study, make that is technicals are not just enough in this volume game. You got to go into fundamentals as well because there's a lot of exciting cash stocks that you can land upon. Right. So right now, Shanti Gears, yes, I would study the stock. NRB Bearings, yes, I would study the stock. Walchand Nagar Industries, I would study the stock. Hercules Hoists, yes, these are all good. Barmer Lorry, these are all. This I would avoid. Kanani Industries, Gokul, I would avoid. Okay, SMS, I would study. Bank Nifty. Now, if I want to add in more filter, another filter. Okay, like for example, I can take the loan equal to zero because companies with debt are running into problem, right? So if I run the scan, I'm getting these are debt-free companies, right? Now here I've got something. Now sometimes these scans they also get you sectors. So I got this Nifty Growth Sector 15. Okay, so I went to the Nifty Indices site. This is niftyindices.com market data, and this is the Nifty Growth 15 constituents. Okay, so anytime you see this index popping, it means these stocks are doing well. Some or most, right? Top mover, top dragger like Hindustan Lever has dragged, Godrej Consumer Products has dragged, but Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank. Yesterday was the day of the banks. Okay, so that's another clue what you should do, right? Now that's one. If you I can add, I can add more exciting volume filters, such as latest volume crossed over 1 month ago volume. That means one day's volume has crossed the last 1 month's volume. That's something will be definitely up. Hercules hoists. I would really study this. Ratan India, I would forget. Pratap Snacks, I would study. Power India, I would study. Okay, even the stocks that are falling. Suppose you own the stocks. The stocks are falling. Why are they falling? Okay, why are they falling with such abnormal volumes? This is something you need to check. Of course, there are gone cases like Videocon and stuff like that. You can't do anything about. But another third screener would be the latest volume greater than 1 week ago volume. That's important as well, right? The whole of 1 week of the last week and just one day's volume has gone up. So you have this DCM Sriram, it's gone up 20%, Kolte Patil, 20%, Ajmera Realty, SR Shipping. SR, of course, it's gone case. So I would check Wheels, I would check India Bulls Housing. I know what's happening because there was a FII that bought a stake at 95, 96. That's why it's going up. I would check DCB Bank. I would check Shanti Gears again. I won't bother about Dhanlakshmi, ATN. So you get the idea. Out here I can see three real estate stocks buzzing. Arvind, Kolte Patil, Ajmera Realty. Okay, and one housing finance. So I would focus on the realty sector. Now, these are the three key filters to figure out what are the buzzing stocks. Now you can add These are other add-ons, Well, the total loans equal number zero. Now we are looking for cheap stocks, right? So let's say, for example, uh, price to book value is less than number one. We want discounted stocks, right? I ran the scan and I'm getting all these Walchand Nagar, Hercules hoists, sub events. You get the idea. The last additional filter is TTM, trailing 12-month net profit is greater than the yearly net profit. But after this COVID area, this filter is not applicable because there's a major disruption going. Now, one more stock I got out of one of these scans was Seya Industries. It was something like 366 and now it is at 47. Does that mean you should buy it? No, you have to do another check, and that is you must always you must always check the cash flows. Now I checked Seya Industries cash flows, right? This is the annual profit. Okay, Stock Access is a great site that tells you in one glance. You can figure out if a company is fudging accounts if you have the experience in one glance. So let me show you about Seya. Okay, now in the trailing 12 month, they have a profit after tax of 75% and an unadjusted EPS of 30. Yet the stock is at 47, right? So check the charts. It's fallen from in a year, in 6 months, it's fallen from 344 in October 2019 to 46 today. Now, what I did was I checked the cash flows. Now, just look at one glance. Cash from operating activity is positive. That's good. Now, cash from investing. Look at this. Look at this. It's been from March 2012. This company has been investing in fixed assets. Okay, March 2002, it sold something in 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's been investing like anything into fixed assets, and it's been borrowing. Now, if I'm investing something in fixed assets in the year 2000, in the year 2012, wouldn't I get my returns in the form of profit? In the year I invested, I invested 200 crores. My profits are 134 crores. After 8 years, at least my profit should be at least for 50-60% more than this. But yet we are underreporting the profits. So there is something in this company that needs to be studied further, and then you have to go into the annual report. So this is what you do to figure out trending stocks based on volume. You can make your own scanners, combine one or more, and get your results. And I'll stop this video for now. Good luck to you for finding good stocks. Remember, the price to book value being at 1 or even 2 is very important. Don't go beyond 3, because beyond 3 the trouble starts. The stock becomes very expensive. So I'll stop for now. Thanks for viewing. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Bye.